Hi everyone, we've had a change of plan. If you saw the last video, we know we had a few cycling incidents. My bike got a puncture and Caroline fell off hers. And given the injury situation, we thought we might be coming home. But with a bit of rest and treatment, Caroline's ankles are not too bad. So we decided to continue the trip, and we've moved over to another site, still in Derbyshire, but this one's just outside Matlock, and it's called Lickpenny. Some of you may have seen it before, but it is now a Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and it's a couple of days now that the club have been running it. It's an interesting site as a result, not quite the same as a standard caravan club site. It has a lovely continental feel because all the pitches are surrounded by hedges, which makes them very private. I think they're all hard standing, and there are a number of what they call deluxe pitches, which I think means they're fully serviced. And you'll see when we go round, it just has a really nice feel to it. So we've been here a couple of days. The weather has improved further. As you can see, today is a pretty warm sunny day, and we've managed to get a few more trips in. We've been down to the Arkwright mill at Cromford. That was fascinating, and lots of interesting history as to the start of factory production at the mill. And then today we've been down to Chatsworth House to have a look around there. So there's a number of things to do in the area, and of course you've got Matlock down the road. So I will do you the normal site tour, show you on the map which way we're going to go around, and then we'll look around the site. Here's the map of the Lickpenny site. As you can see, it's not standard caravan club map yet. We'll come in through the entrance, going all the way up through the late arrivals up to the refuse area. Then we'll come back down past block 1, which is reception and a facilities block. We'll then continue down until we get to the left-hand turn for the deluxe pitches. Deluxe pitches are the A and B pitches. We'll follow this all the way round till we turn left and go straight along past the dog walking area, and continue till we reach the next left, going up and around this section, which takes us all the way to the back of the site. We'll come back round until we turn left again through the other set of deluxe pitches. Before coming round, turning left, and then turn right with block 2 on the right, which is another facilities block. And then to the play area before turning right again back to our pitch, which was pitch 18. We're now approaching the campsite. You'll see work is started on tidying up all round the site. Up here on the left is the motorhome service point, primarily for waste disposal. Then we'll continue up, and here at the end, these are where the waste bins are. Here on the right are the bollards for late night arrivals. This is reception. Nice big reception area with information, small shop, ice creams and cold drinks. Then we'll come down to the dishwashing and vegetable preparation area. You'll see they've still got a public payphone. There's also a laundry with washer and dryer, as well as a sink and ironing board with iron. Coming back out and going round to the facilities. These are the gents facilities. Urinals, sinks, toilets and showers. Coming away from there, just looking across the road, these are the seasonal pitches that run all the way down the right hand side. We're now going along the main road through the site. Turning left up to the deluxe pitches. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of the pitches are nicely private with hedges all round. Here on the left is a service point which will have water and chemical waste disposal. Just coming down to the dog walk area, so we'll continue along this path. A nice big area with benches and tables. We'll now turn left and back towards the back of the site. You probably have noticed that all of the pitches are hard standing and all look to be a very good size. So this is the section at the back of the site. This is the other deluxe pitch section. So now we're going to come down, turning right, another service point here on the right. I'm going to turn right to the other facilities block. This has 3 showers, a separate toilet and wash facility, as well as toilets and urinals with sinks. Also in this block is another vegetable preparation room and dishwashing, which also has a microwave. It also has a laundry room with a sink, washer, dryer and ironing board again. One thing I should mention, at the entrance to the site were some planning notices, and it looks like both sets of facilities blocks will be totally replaced. I guess these will be in line with normal Caravan and Motorhome Club facilities. And then we're coming right round, as I said, to our pitch. And that's the view from the pitch across to the play area. So I hope you found that useful. It's a really interesting site, and I expect there'll be some developments over the course of the next few months as the Caravan and Motorhome Club takes it over. We've really enjoyed our stay here. We expect now to be going back home, but until next time, see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.